everyone, we're going to find the sum of the series given here. This is a telescope series. So let's look what we have. We have these terms. I'm just going to look at the denominator for now. If you just look at the denominator, what we have is 1 plus square root of 2. And then we have square root of 2 plus square root of 3. And let's just do the next one. The next one would be square root of 3 plus square root of 4. So if you look at this, this would be like your first term, second term, and third term. And if you look at these two, this would be like if you substitute in the 2, we can call this square root of k plus, see, you have the square root of k, and this one is one more, so plus square root of k plus 1. Right, and it also works for this one, because you could write this as square root of 1. Now, let's look and see what we have. We have 1 divided by, and we're going to write this, square root of k plus square root of k plus 1. To make this easier, let's rationalize the denominator by multiplying by the conjugate. And the conjugate of the denominator is square root of k minus square root of k plus 1. And you have to also multiply the numerator. So we're just redressing our equation. Now, the denominator is, this is like a plus b times a minus b. That gives you equal a squared minus b squared. So that's just going to equal, let's see, a is going to be k. Then you're going to have minus k minus 1. And the numerator is going to be square root of k minus square root of k plus 1. So basically the k's cancel out here, and this is plus 1, sorry. So you're going to get a negative 1 here. So basically we have negative 1 times square root of k minus square root of k plus 1, which equals, we can rearrange this as square root of k plus 1 minus square root of k. So therefore what I want to do is write this as, let's see here, we're going to write this as the sum, and we're going to go k equals 1, and we're doing to the last term, so this would be a sub 99, right? So we're going to the 99th term, and then we're going to write square root of k plus 1 minus square root of k. All right, and writing this out a little bit, this is going to give you, I don't know if I can squeeze it all in here. I'll try to. So let's write out some terms. We will get, for the first term, when you start at 1, you get square root of 2 minus square root of 1. Then you're going to get plus square root of 3 minus square root of 2. Then you're going to get plus square root of 4 minus square root of 3 plus dot 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 plus square root of 100 minus square root of 99. Now, the telescope series means it's collapsing on itself. A telescope collapses on itself, so that's what the sequence is going to do. So let's look and see what's going on, because we got to deal with these unknown terms here. So basically what's canceling out is the first term here and then the second term here. So this one would be first, second, and then first, second. So what we're left with is square root of 100 minus square root of 1. So that gives me equals square root of 100 minus 1. Square root of 1 is just 1, so we get 10 minus 1 equals 9. And that's your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.